No intro, no outro, just straight fire. Okay, so this is gonna be a quick video. Forex Factory, Forex Factory. Just to go over just some projections for next week, in regards to the market. So I'm gonna go over news first, and then we'll go over, you know, the regular. So in regards to news, U.S. has some news next week, Tuesday. Really, these are all the red folders for next week, so high impact. So, and it's really mostly on the US dollar, which is very ironic. Do I have my filter on right? CAD, Euro, Great British Pound, USD. Yeah. So all the red folders on the US dollar, and then on Monday, August 1st, which doesn't apply to next week, it's a bank holiday. So this is going to be very interesting in part because if these are high impact news and the projection forecasted is not, where it's supposed to be, then that means the dollar is going to weaken. So going into last week, projection pretty much TP hit for EU, and now as you can see, price is at this consolidated range for EU. GU, GU, as you can see, held this level, broke through this level of what was resistance, and it came up, and it looks as though it wants to test this level of support. Oh, I messed up. I just need to drag it all the way over. Yes, wants to test this level of support. Price is at a very interesting spot, truth be told. And however the market moves, or whatever the news is for the dollar, depends on which way this is going to move. And then last but not least, UCAD. UCAD sold all the way down to this level of support. Let me extend this to the right without moving it. Yeah, so UCAD is hugging this level of support. And it also tested the level of support underneath it. All right, cool. So let's go into predictions, and projections. So let me go back out to the 1 hour. All right. So hard to tell really what price wants to do due to it being at some key levels, truth be told. I'm not going to sit here and act like I'm some type of guru because it's difficult to see what price is doing. It's a lot of consolidation, and more consolidation. So pending news releases, that is going to be my determining factor as to what price will do. A lot of consolidation. So for UCAD, I'm neutral right now. We'll see how this plays out next week. But just from a smart money standpoint, what I would like to see is price come and mitigate this area, consolidate, and then drop down to take out sideways liquidity. Or what price can also do, reprice higher, mitigate, and then drop down. Because if you can see, it's like low-key some type of head and shoulder form, and if we go to a higher time frame, you probably can see it better. Yep. Boom, 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 boom. Up and then down. For Great British Pound USD, just clear my charts a little bit. Price, once again, is consolidating. So I'm neutral on this as well. But smart money wise, This is where I would like price to head to, potentially. So go up for some buys, mitigate, drop, or just keeps making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Get to this level of resistance and then drop. So smart money bias for GU is buys. Smart money bias for UCAD is sells. Before I do that, let me... Oh yeah, I'm looking for sells. So UCAD looking for sells. GU, I'm looking for buys. Sorry for all the mess on my screen. And then last but not least, EUR USD. Once again, at a very interesting spot in the market. Lots of consolidation. It's at a level of resistance. But just how the market is setting up, this is what I would like to see. Let me go to the daily and see what it looks like on the daily. So this is a lot of rejection right here. I like what this is looking like right here. But then there's also this down here. All right, so for EUR USD, what I'm liking, especially since this is a bunch of sell side liquidity as well, what I would like to see price finish what it's doing in this consolidated range, peak out inside this level, and then come up. So initial sells, and then hopefully when news releases for the United States dollars, this can push this pair up. So just a quick rehash. UCAD, early buys for early in the week buys, and then when news release comes out, you know, pushes the dollar down to weaken it. So UCAD, I'll say buys to sell. So buying up to sell. GU, I will say, wait, did I? GU, oh, did I do this right? Did I do it? Yeah, buys to sell. Yeah. GU, same thing. Buys, or really sell to buys. Because something down here has to push this up. So for GU, sells, short-term sells, down here. Let me make this look a little bit more cleaner. I have a lot going on. So short-term sells to buys to mitigate this. And then when it gets here, consolidate and then sell back off. And then last but not least, EU, short-term sells to buys. Boom. So that's my bias for next week. I actually have not been trading as much as I would like. School just got real. So, but I told myself I'm going to be consistent with this YouTube jazz. So you already know, like I said again, make your comments beneath the video. Hit me up on Instagram and let's get to the bag. Have a great trading week, y'all.